Hello, sixth grade, Miss Fleming here again. My surroundings are different. I got annoyed with trying to make outside work, so I'm back inside. It'll be quieter though, and I won't have a box on my head. So without further ado, let me start this video. For this one, I'm going to be reading your notes on 16.3, which is about using a box plot. So again, this is 16.3, using a box plot. A box plot is a display that shows how the values in a data set are distributed or spread out. To make a box plot, first find the values for the data set. So you need to find the least value, the lower quartile, which is the median of the lower half of the data, the median, the upper quartile, which is the median of the upper half of the data, and the greatest value. Remember, the median is that middle number. So you put all the numbers in order from least to greatest, and then you find the middle number. In odd sets of numbers, there will be a middle number. In even sets of data, you will have to add the two middle numbers together and divide by 2. Let's see what else it says. Example 1. The heights of several students are shown. Make a box plot for the data. So it shows you all of their heights in inches. We have numbers ranging from 54 all the way to 65. So step 1, you need to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. The smallest is 54, then 56. There are 2 56s, then 58. There are 2 58s, then 59, then 60, 2 61s, 62, 63, 65. So those are in order from least to greatest. So your least value is 54, your greatest value is 65. So remember, it wants you to find the lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile. The lower quartile is the median of the lower half of the data. So if we look at the smaller half, which it breaks into, if you look here, it's got these little dots. It says from the median down is the lower half. So if we wanted to find the lower quartile, the lower quartile, or the median of the lower half, we'd cross off 54, we'd cross off 59, we'd cross off 56, we'd cross off 58. We have two numbers in the middle, so we have to add 56 plus 58. 56 plus 58 is 114. 114 divided by 2 is 57. So your lower quartile is 57. The median, again, is just the middle numbers. Because there is an even set of numbers in this data, we have to add the two middle numbers together, which is 59 and 60. 59 plus 60 is 6 plus 9, 119. 119 divided by 2 is 59.5. So our median is 59.5 or 59.5. And then we need to find the upper quartile. Again, the upper quartile is the median of the upper half of data. So if we look at that, our upper half is split here, from here to here. So we have two numbers again, 61 and 62. 61 plus 62 is 103. 103 divided by 2 is 61.5. So we have all of step 1 completed. On to step 2, draw the box plot. So what you're going to do is draw a number line that includes all the data values. On the number line, you're going to draw dots above the least value, the lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile, and the greatest value. So here's our number line. Our smallest number was 54. Our largest number was 65. So we have to put a dot above the least value, which was 54. Then we put a dot on the lower quartile, which was 57. Then we put a dot on the median, which was 59.5, so between 59 and 60. Then we put a dot on the upper quartile, which was 61.5, so again in between. And then we put a dot above our greatest value, which was 65. Once we do that, we draw a segment or a line that connects the least value to the lower quartile. So we drew from here to here. And then we draw a box that ends pass through the lower and upper quartiles and draw a vertical segment through the median. So we'd have to start at the lower quartile and we draw a line all the way to the upper quartile and we make a box out of it, and then it wants a line at the median. And then last but not least, we have to draw a segment or a line that connects the upper quartile to the greatest value. So from the end of that box to our largest number. And then it asks us to reflect. So in the example, what percent of the data values are included in the box portion and what percent are included in each of the whiskers. So these box plots are also called box and whisker diagrams because those lines that go out, they call them whiskers. It's a thing. So we have, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers in the box, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 1, 2, 3, 4. It's roughly 6 and 6, or 50% are in the box, 50% are in the whiskers. So that is it for this video. I'm going to do another one where I work with your worksheet. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, as always, reach out. We are here to help you. All right, bye.